We already talked about feta cheese, but why don't we just talk about it again? Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of The Silly Kitchen. I am excited to show you just a super easy fridge favorite of mine that I make all year round, but because we're into spring and barbecue season, this is an awesome accompaniment to any barbecue food. I also just open the fridge and scoop a bowl out anytime I want. So this is a very versatile dish and very easy. So imagine Greek salad. You guys know, if you've watched the show before, I love salad and I love cheese. But sometimes you need something more substantial than a lettuce salad, or maybe the lettuce wilted and it's yucky and you don't have any more. So whatever the reason is, or if you just love beige and carbs and pasta, this is also awesome. So I've already cut up a bunch of vegetables. So when you think of Greek salad, you think cucumbers, different peppers, some red onion, which I love, Kalamata olives. I just buy the pitted ones and they're awesome, and you just throw them into whatever you want to eat. We already talked about feta cheese, but why don't we just talk about it again as I have a little nibble. Typically, a Greek salad would also have tomatoes in it. However, when making pasta salad, I don't want to use really wet ingredients because I usually make a nice big batch and I like to keep it in the fridge for a couple days. So if you have really runny tomatoes in there, you're gonna get kind of soupy stuff on the bottom. So two options. I'm gonna use sun-dried tomatoes because I already have those in my pantry. But you could also do whole cherry or grape tomatoes, and that way they're closed and they should be good for a couple days. The other option is you can scoop out the inside of a tomato and just use the outside, and that way your salad will last longer. Oh, I'm almost choking on a little bit of extra cheese that was in my mouth there. Sorry about that. Not really. I'm never sorry about eating cheese. Okay, back to the pasta salad. So, you guys all know how to cook some noodles in salt water. What I do is when I let it cool, I also add a little bit of the olive oil that I'm gonna be using in the pasta salad so that my noodles don't stick, and I just kind of let it cool down like that. Well, that's pretty much all you need to know. So, chop your vegetables, clean your vegetables, and throw them in. Now keep in mind, if you don't like red onions, if you don't like olives, whatever your favorite veggies are, you go ahead and do what you want. I like all veggies. I have never met a vegetable that I do not like, so I'm gonna go with all of these in here. And the more veggies, the better. Your pasta to veggie ratio, you want it to be gorgeous and beautiful and use lots of them. Kalamata olives, I liked throwing them in whole. If you want, you can chop these guys up, but you really don't have to. I mean, your pasta is already gonna be nice and kind of thick and girthy. Oh, let's talk about the pasta. So, I like using either fusilli, or rotini pastas for this. I just find that they're substantial. I cut my vegetables nice and chunky to kind of match the size. But I mean, you can also dice them a lot smaller. You can certainly pick any noodle you have. Penne noodles would probably work too. So whatever you want to do. I am just throwing in all the things here. All the things. And just give it a good mix. Now, like I said, because when I was waiting for my pasta to cool down, I already put a little bit of olive oil in. It's really, really easy to mix this. My favorite ingredient, cheese. Now this is the one that I'm really not going to worry about how much I put in. Cheese is my favorite ingredient. Feta cheese is so nice and salty too. Oh, this is Greek salad with extra yummy. So I'm not sure why I even bothered leaving any feta cheese in here. Let's just get that all in there. No such thing as too much. If you can't eat cheese for any reason, I'm really sorry, but then don't add cheese. I just bought like a brick of feta and I just chopped it up to make it into little chunks so that it would blend well into the salad. Woo, woo, woo. Okay. You would think that's all, but there's a couple other things here going on. I want to dress the salad like it's a salad. If you buy a Greek dressing, go ahead and pour some over here, give it a mix, and you're good to go. I like making my own little concoctions of flavor, so I have a lemon and herb dry seasoning. Let's put that in there. I also have some dry parsley flakes. Ba-da-da-da. Make it kind of nice and fun. Have fun in the kitchen. Olive oil I already added, but I'm gonna do a little bit more just so that my dry herbs there get nice and mixed up. And a little bit of vinegar. So pretty much you're making a salad dressing, but right in the bowl. And the finale, if you want to add salt and pepper, you can. Because I have a lot of feta cheese in here, it's already gonna have that nice salty flavor. So I'm good. Give it a mix. Give it lots of mixes because you want all that cheese that fell on the bottom, you want that to come right back up. And then you're pretty much done. And when I say pretty much done, I mean you're done. That's it, you're done. This is ready to eat. I usually would recommend that you stick it in the fridge maybe for a half an hour or however long, just to kind of make everything kind of cool down, be the same temperature, let it sit in its beautiful flavor, and that's it, go eat. I mean, I should try it though, right? Just to make sure. Oh yeah. I feel like this is gonna be my lunch today, just a nice bowl of this. I gotta get that olive though. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to take TV bites, aren't I? Oh, I got a good piece of feta in that one. And an olive. I kind of feel like I want to put a few more olives in here. Again, olives got that nice salty brine when you take them out. So it all just kind of... Oh boy, I'm making way too many silly noises on this episode. So go make yourself some awesome Greek pasta salad, load in that feta cheese, and go barbecue something. Enjoy the sunshine. I hope it's here to stay. I really, really love the outdoors in the summer and the spring, so I really want some more of that vitamin D coming in with my vitamin cheese. I don't know what I say sometimes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this quick little episode, and I'll see you again soon. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.